Hello and welcome to yet another new episode on Q4 FY24 result analysis. And today we are going to cover cement sector. So let's begin. Okay, let's start with the cement giant Ultratech Cement. Top line of the company grew decent 9% year-on-year basis. EBITDA had a fabulous performance, 24% growth year-on-year basis at the EBITDA level, and EBITDA margin expanded 200 basis point at 20%. Uh, Next company I will be discussing, that is Ambuja Cement. Cement had a decent performance, 12% growth year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped 37% year-on-year basis, and EBITDA margin improved 300 basis point at 19%. Uh, Here, one important discussion regarding some key metrics of the cement sector. If you check EBITDA per ton for Ambuja Cement, there are straight cut improvement from 879 rupees to 1023 rupees. And simultaneously, realization has also improved at 56. Realization has been squeezed from 5650 rupees per ton to 5358 rupees per ton for Ambuja Cement. Ultratech Cement, yes, realization has reduced. Realization has been squeezed from 5,373 rupees per ton to 5,292 rupees per ton. Realization of cement clinker together improved from 4856 crore, rupees for 4,856 per ton to 5,313 rupees per ton. ACC, yes, ACC 13% growth at the top line. EBITDA jumped 78% year-on-year basis, and EBITDA margin improved 500 basis point at 15%. Realization from cement is 5,200 rupees per ton in Q4 FY24, and EBITDA per ton stood at 805 rupees. I do not have a handy number of this EBITDA per ton and realization for the last year's import. Ramco Cement posted 4% growth at the top line, 2% means mere small 2% growth at the EBITDA level. EBITDA margin stood stable, not great quarter for Ramco Cement. It just maintained its numbers, its margin. Next talk, which is coming. Before that, Ramco Cement realization stood at 4,869 rupees, and EBITDA per ton has squeezed from 903 rupees to 785 rupees year-on-year basis. Next stock, that is Star Cement. Top line grew 10% year-on-year basis. EBITDA grew 8% year-on-year basis, and EBITDA margin is maintained at 20%. Realization for Star Cement has been squeezed from 9,130 rupees to 6,732 rupees. There is a significant degrowth in the realization. This is for December quarter. Sorry, I do not have the figure for March 24. So the sequential numbers are not that very important, and specifically like different, there are, the cement is very cyclical in nature. and that's why this comparison is not material. Okay, let's move on. Next stock, that is JK Cement. Top line of the company grew decent 12%, EBITDA jumped 60% year-on-year basis, and EBITDA margin also improved 500 basis point at 18%. Sagar Cement, the small South Indian company, top line grew 14% year-on-year basis. EBITDA jumped 75% year-on-year basis. EBITDA margin expanded 400 basis point and 10%. And Sagar Cement realization uh, is has squeezed little bit from 4,581 rupees to 4,404 rupees. EBITDA per ton has been improved from 286 rupees to 423 rupees year-on-year basis. Sri Cement, the Sri Cement posted again similar kind of good result, 7% growth at the top line. EBITDA jumped 60% year-on-year basis at 1,422 crore, and EBITDA margin also improved 900 basis point at 26%. Realization from realization of Sri Cement stood at for 5,701 rupees per ton, and EBITDA per ton stood at 1,492 rupees. There are lots of result. It will not be possible to discuss everyone, but yes, I am trying to focus frontliners and companies in interest so that it can give some essence of the market. Dalmia Bharat posted 10% growth at the top line. EBITDA registered 8% degrowth, and EBITDA margin also squeezed 300 basis point at 15%. Realization stood at 4,894 rupees per ton, and EBITDA per ton squeezed from 743 rupees, from 955 rupees to 743 rupees. Now, very important is the macro picture. What I found, like it's largely a very good result across the counter. Almost everyone posted good results, barring a couple of weaknesses. Dalmia Bharat is one name where it was EBITDA fail, and Star Cement had a decent growth with maintained margin. Ramco Cement had a mere 2% growth at the EBITDA level, and EBITDA margin flat. So, like rest, most of the companies which I have discussed have posted good numbers. Now, a very quick comparison of the peers, cement peers, between realization. I'm just trying to make it bit large. Realization from cement in rupees per ton, and between like key companies, key cement companies, and EBITDA per ton. So it's a very good comparison between peer companies in this particular sector. So so that it gives some insight. It gives some insight of the cement sector. So I got distracted. Sorry, there was sounds noise around. So I'm not reading it out because it does not make sense. सिर्फ number सुन के कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. If you can visualize, you can pause the video, visualize, you will be able to understand where the company stands. But please note, with this, you will not be able to consider a buy, sell, hold in any of the companies. Only thing, like the standpoint will be very much clear. It's a trend, it's consistent performance, trend improvement compared to peers make like will show the path of growth or improvement, overall improvement in the company. This is a very, this couple of metrics are matrices are very important for this particular sector. So uh, please note, it's not a buy sell hold recommendation from my end. It gives some clear picture of that this particular sector, and I'm trying to share my knowledge with all of you, and I hope that you find this video helpful. And so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and keep on watching my upcoming videos as well. I hope that I'll be able to deliver good and valuable insight of the companies and the market. Thank you so much.